Your classic Volvo can be maintained by you, but to maintain your modern Volvo require a whole bunch of specialists, I remember when you're going to repair your modern car, you approach to this service and you can notice whole bunch of specialists. One guy repair electric system and another suspension, another produce bodywork, and suspension, bodywork. A lot of specialists require to maintain only one car, modern car. But your own car you can maintain by your own hands. And more than this, can you be 100% sure that they really great specialists? Because I remember when I repaired my car, when I worked as a driver, and this requires specialist, and this electrician specialist, he was a real clown, I remember how he repaired my car. He attached his lamp underneath to the car, and he said, yes, work done, you can go away. And I just started moving, and I see my rear view mirror, and I notice here and behind me what happened. He forgot his light, his lamp, which he attached underneath the car. So this clown. And I also remember, yes, we want to admit that electricity really complex stuff, but he can't understand what was wrong, gauge on the dashboard or sender, and he insists that I should replace even all these wires under my dashboard. It was several days long of this repair, and he earned money. This time he replaced this cluster, element of cluster. Error just jumped. And I ran away of service, and I noticed the same problem. Turns out sender was wrong. Sender was wrong, crappy parts, and there is no insurance from these consequences, Clowns, crappy parts, but with your own car, you without this, barrier, which this wool, which can be from mechanics, softwares, this key for software, and without support of software, maybe after 15 years this you can make simple procedures, simple errors can be erased only with software. Undoubtedly, modern cars, they will be old, but will they be a classic? Probably not, because you can't own this car 100%. You like you have a license to this car, to transportation. It's just transportation. It's can't be heirloom. From generation to generation, which you can maintain 100%. You need updates of softwares. You can't erase these errors in your car without specialists. And more than this, you require knowledge and experience to understand these special tools. What that means, their data of these special tools, you need experience, years of experience to maintain modern car. And only one reason to go deeper these softwares, if you work with these modern cars, if you're going to earn money by this knowledge which you know about modern cars, there is no reason for one car, only only one car you have, and there is no reason to have whole bunch of these special tools to maintain modern car in 50 years. But classic Volvo 140 series, even 240 series, you can maintain with basic, manual service manual, book service manual, and a set of wrenches. You can repair this car easily, and a lot of procedures you can do by yourself. And we can't compare Volvos from 60s with modern Volvos, especially now Chinese Geely production, high volume production in Chinese. They want to earn more money, they want to produce a lot of cars, but will be better to maintain your old Volvo from 60s, Volvo 140 series, 120 series, Volvo 240 series, and I think ecologically this is more friendly to maintain one car 57 now years rather than to produce each 5 years. You don't want to buy new car each 5 years. This is car production. Each 5 years more harmful for ecological, I think, rather than to have one car 50, 60 years. They're not so worse, and you can tune this car. They're not going to create a lot of pollution, And what you prefer, mechanical longevity or software dependency? Because modern engines, they so complex and really hard for average guy to maintain this engine. This service work requires special tools. So this is a wall between car owner and car. Require constant updates, require software, require special tools, even for basic procedures like resetting errors. Volvo 140 series was a symbol of Swedish industrial pride. Now many modern Volvos are manufactured in China with Geely components, of course. This is China car. So Volvo lost their unique Swedishness. And Volvo just name, only just brand, nothing else related with Swedish steel from 60s. So let's compare classic cars from 60s, Volvo 140 series, Volvo Amazon. They were produced for longevity. They were honest cars, but modern Volvos, they produce to expire. And by repair, by service, any independent mechanic can repair with set of wrench. He can repair with basic tools these simple cars from 60s, from early 70s, 140 series, even 240 series, simple cars. But now require software, updates, and special tools, special knowledge to service modern Volvos. Special software keys which we have now. And sure, main thing, this physical link between owner, steering wheel, shifter, these gauges, and we can't compare with this barrier, computer on the wheels, like they say. They support by Android, of course. And driver separated from car by by layers of these coats. So what you prefer? Mechanical honesty, longevity, or software dependency? What you prefer, you can argue with me and say in the comments down below. I'll catch you in the next one on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Time, 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.